Are you ready to level up your copy and pasting? I'm going to be teaching you about clipboard history and some shortcuts to make copy and pasting easier. So first, to enable your clipboard history, you need to push the Windows key and V, and then click Turn On. Now my clipboard is empty, but if I was wanting to copy this email template, and I need both the subject and the body copied, I highlight and can copy here, or I can highlight and do Control C to copy. Then I go to my email, and now when I go to the subject, instead of just doing Control V, I can push the Windows Control V, and it brings up the different things I have copied. Windows V, and now I can choose, so I have it there. If I go back here, and I want to see that this font is bold, I copy it. If I wanted to paste it here, and instead of it having this font, I wanted it to match the font that's right up here. If I put my cursor here and I do Control Shift and then push V, it'll match. It'll copy the text, but change the formatting. I hope those tips help you out just a little bit.